to be help from the next week. So let's don't do the revision of particular chapters, but according to your paper style, we can start with the objective type, means in the section A, 1 mark questions. In which there will be blanks or MCQs or one word, one sentence, or the true or false, but we are doing the general here. First one, minus 15 blank minus 25. Put proper sign from greater than, less than, or equal to. So now here in negative numbers we know that smaller is greater and greater is smaller. So minus 15 is greater than minus 25. Minus 72 blank 89. So here one is negative number, one is positive number, and we know that positive numbers are always greater than, so 72 minus 72 is less than 89. Third one, 0 blank minus 19. 0 is greater than the negative numbers. Negative numbers are all smaller than the 0. Second one. Next, if angle A and angle B are complementary, then blank. Options are angle A plus angle B is 180 degree, angle A minus angle B is 180 degree, C angle A plus angle B is 90 degree, and D angle A minus angle B is 90 degree. So when they are complementary, sum of them is equal to 90 degree. So answer is this one. If angle A and angle B are supplementary, then blank. Same options like up. Then what will be the answer? Here A means angle A plus angle B is 180 degree. So you have to remember that if one of the complementary angle is given, the other can be found by subtracting it from 90 degree. And if they are supplementary, we have to subtract them from 180 degree. Next one. I had rupees 6,000, from which I spent rupees 600. What percent of money I used? So now we use 600 out of 6,000. 10 multiplied by 100. So here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 6 tens are 60. It means that 10%. So I used 10% of the money that I had. Pratik had 25 ball pens. He gave 5 pens to his sister. What percent of pens he gave? So here 5 pens out of 25 multiplied by 100%. 25 fours are, so 5 fours are 20%. So 20% of the pens he gave away. A square has dash line or lines of symmetry. We know that a square has 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines of symmetry. A rectangle has dash line or lines of symmetry. A square has 4, but a rectangle only have 2 lines of symmetry. It does not have 4 because the length and breadth are different. A circle has dash line or lines of symmetry. Now we learn about the circle. That circle is the most symmetric figure because anywhere you draw the diameters, it is the same. It means that it have unlimited or infinite. So it have infinite lines of symmetry there. Now, among 0.7 and 0.52, which is greater? Now we know that 0.7 can be written as 0.70 to make the number of decimal same, and 0.52. So now which is greater, 70 or 52? Obviously 70. So here 0.7 is greater. So 0.7 is greater. Sometimes if you see only 7 and if 52, then you will see that 52 is greater. And without thinking you write down 52. That is wrong. From 0.7 and 0.07, which is smaller? So here also you have to do the same thing. 0.7 you have to write down as 0.70 and here 0.7. So 70 is greater. So smaller is 0.07. There 0.07 is smaller. from 3.725 and 3.752, which is greater? So here first digit is same, after the point first digit is also same, then you have to check the second digit, 2 and 5. So which is greater? 5. So this number is greater. Therefore 3.752 is greater number. 14. What is hypotenuse in right angled triangle? We know that in right angled triangle, the side which is opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. So, in right triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Which is the greatest side in right triangle? Always in right triangle, that hypotenuse is the longest or the greatest side. So answer is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always the largest or the greatest or the longest side in a right angled triangle. What is the symbol or notation for congruency? Which symbol we use for congruency? Remember that you have to do the equality sign, and then on the equality sign you have to do like that. Remember, don't do like that. Don't do like that. That is the right answer. So be careful when you draw the congruency. So keep trying to make this. If you sometimes when you make that, then you will make a habit of that, and maybe in the board exam in 10th, because this symbol now you will use in standard 9th, 10th and so many more, and therefore be careful to make practice, make a habit that you make this notation, not the other one. Therefore I here put it for you that it is a wrong symbol for the congruency. Next, simple interest for rupees 2000 at 5% for 2 years is blank. So we know that PRT upon 100 SI, simple interest. P is 2000, R is 5%, T is 2 years upon 1000. That you can do in the rough page also. Cancellations. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 and 1 0. So 200 rupees. So 200 rupees is the simple interest for. So you should remember this formula that SI is equal to PRT upon 100, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time period. 9 times Y added to 25 gives 12. Write it in equation form. So now 9 times y is 9y. Added to 25. So 25 in which added 9y. What you give? It gives 12. So 25 plus 9y is equal to 12. Next. 7 times x minus 2 gives 10. Also write it in equation form. So 7 times x means 7x minus means minus 2 gives means equal to 10. So 7x minus 2 equals 10 is the right answer. Four p minus 7 is equal to 8. Write in statement form. Reverse. So here 4 times p minus 7 gives 8. So by this way, from the statement to the equation and from equation to the statement, you can write it down like this. So here we are going to finish the session followed by the PDF, and you can practice this type of more, then you can have a nice revision for it. Thank you very much.